Good afternoon and welcome to 622 South Highland Drive. This property is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, just over 1,500 square feet, and it sits on a large 10,000 square foot property. There's a pool in the back you'll see through the tour, as well as a nicely renovated inside with some modern features around. Feel free to reach out with any questions and let's go in and take a look. you for touring this beautiful new listing with me today. This property's only been on the market for about 2 weeks now. So please let me know any questions or anything you have in mind that I can help with before this one's off the market. If it's not this property, I would still love to be a resource for you for any other homes here in town. All my contact information is in the description, and I'm here to help for you. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Happy Mother's Day.